Hello, I'm Luke, a software engineer at GPTZero. Today, I'll be providing a step-by-step walkthrough of the GPTZero dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main dashboard interface. There are several ways to scan text to see if there's any AI involvement. There is the text scan feature, single file upload, and if we navigate to the batch file upload view, we can upload more than one file. The types of files supported are PDFs, Word documents, and plain text files. Let's start with the text scan. You can enter or paste the text you want to analyze. After entering the text, click on the Get Results button to initiate the text analysis by GPTZero. The results will be displayed, including insights and relevant statistics. I'm going to paste in some of the sample text found at gptzero.me. This text is a mixture of human and AI. Then I'm going to accept the terms of service and then select Get Results. GPTZero has determined that this text may include parts written by AI. If I scroll down, we can look at a sentence-by-sentence overview of the text. GPTZero will highlight the sentences in yellow that it thinks has AI involvement. If I scroll down further, we can see more statistics about the document, such as perplexity and burstiness. These statistics measure the style of a piece of writing. Now I'm going to demonstrate the single file upload. I'm going to upload a plain text file with the same content that I analyzed a few moments ago. I'm going to click Choose File. I'm going to select the plain text document, and I'm going to select Open. GPTZero is going to extract the text from the document, and we should get the same results as before. Let's click Get Results. You can see the results are the same with the same sentences being highlighted. If you have multiple files for analysis, you can use the batch file upload feature. Let's go back to the main dashboard interface and click Batch File Upload. Here we can select multiple files from our computer or drag and drop them into the designated area. Let's click Choose Files. Let's select the files that we would like to scan and then click Open to begin the batch analysis process. Once they have been scanned, they will show up in the scanned files list. It will show the result and the probability of AI. You can click on the Results button to get an in-depth report for each. This is the same familiar report from the text scan and single file upload feature. If I go back, we can go back to see all the text files. You can see that the AI ChatGPT generated document comes back as being 100% generated by AI. The human document comes back as being human generated. And lastly, the partial AI and human text sample comes back being mixed with an AI probability of 85%. In addition to AI scanning, the GPTZero dashboard has the ability to detect plagiarism. GPTZero scans the internet, looking at research papers, academic sources, journals, books, and other large databases of web content. This is a premium feature, available only on the Educator and Pro plans. Furthermore, each word scanned for plagiarism is equivalent to 10 words scanned for AI detection. Let's get started. I've copied some of the sample plagiarism text from gptzero.me. Very similar to the text scan and single file upload for AI detection, GPTZero allows you to paste, enter text, or submit a file for plagiarism detection. I'm going to click Get Results, and GPTZero will begin comparing my text to its various plagiarism sources. Okay, the scan has been completed. The plagiarism detection will show how much of the document was plagiarized. In this sample, 100% of the document was found online, matching 10 online sources. If we scroll down, we can see the original text. GPTZero will highlight in red the text is identical to online sources and will highlight the text in yellow that is similar. On the right side, you can see where GPTZero has found the matches online and a direct link to those websites. If we scroll down even more, we can see an in-depth view on the similarity in a sentence-by-sentence view to online existing content. That concludes our walkthrough of the GPTZero dashboard. If you encounter any issues or have any further questions, click on the question mark at the top right-hand corner. Please check out our FAQ, support center, or contact our support team for assistance. Happy exploring!